And a really nice motherboard with, for like I said, people who like to depopulate and everything. You got your gold connectors, all gold here in the connectors. USB gold, audio port gold. You have another video port, two video ports, Ethernet, a bunch of chips, video chip, gold in the memory here. We've got a bunch of monolithic capacitors, tantalum capacitors. Even on the other side, there's even some small switches for people who do the silver. Overall, really nice and big. It's quite heavy. This alone might be £1, so this alone might be worth about $1.30 or something on board sort. Maybe even more. I haven't checked the prices in a bit. Or I might be thinking of peripheral boards, which that isn't. So it might even be more than $3. And another 17-inch screen. So, like I was saying, like minimum 25 for the screens. And since I already have two 17-inch screens, could be a lot more. So another battery going to board sort, and we have a little compartment here. The previous person went through it, took the memory in the screen, in the hard drive, which is not really surprising, especially not for the hard drive. A lot of people keep it to destroy it or to reuse it. Especially if they're 500 gigabyte size. Let's get all these screws out. Hopefully you get all the hidden ones out too. Here. See this, the Wi-Fi board connectors are still there, so I might just keep that all together.